I guess I don't have time to complete this mission!
What's the panic?
It's impossible. I'll never do all these tasks. Can never defeat the imposter.
Sammy, you just need a professional crew. And I happen to know where you can get it. Follow me.
Wait! I want to see those cool guys.
Hey guys, are you ready for an open space journey?
Sue forgot the main point again.
But first, we'll assemble our Among Us team.
Oh, I guess I was wrong. She still keeps with the main goal. Huh.
So we'll use this foil for the core of our Among Us players.
Don't you think these players are too big for our tiny spaceship, huh?
I thought you wanted to have a strong crew.
Yep, but first of all, this has to be a clever crew. And I won't mind if it is possible to place them into our spaceship, because I need a crew for doing tasks, not for showing strength.
No worries, Sammy. This is gonna be an Among Us Matryoshka. There we go.
What?
Actually, they're also known as Russian dolls.
And how will we get the imposter with dolls?
Sammy, breathe deeply and let me explain everything. Matryoshka is a Russian brand. They're wooden dolls of decreasing size that are placed inside one another. You read about them once. Remember?
Yep. Actually, I love their fancy headdresses.
Guys, let's speed it up. Up. That's better. What? Sammy!
I pranked you. And this will be the biggest crew member, just like me.
Yep, and all the other players will hide inside it. I think it's a genius strategy.
Yeah, the imposter will think that there's only one member on our team.
And then he'll get a very unpleasant surprise. Guys, our clay crew is ready. To make their spacesuits durable, we need to bake them. Ask an adult to help you at this stage, guys. Perfect. Looks great. Now their spacesuits are safe for sure.
My Among Us army is invincible!
Ooh, now I'm scared a bit.
Leave this one. I need him for training. It is very important.
Sammy! Dead body reported!
What? Where? I have to check everything.
Perfect. Now we have time to attach faces to our team players. Now, this guy at least can see the task he's doing.
The imposter left this trace. He's vented for sure. Ugh.
Sammy, I'm afraid you ate that.
Nope, you have no proof.
Actually, I was on the cams at that moment and, I've got some screens.
Okay, fine. It was kind of an imposter trap.
Oh, really? I've never heard about such a thing.
Imposters are very... Ouch! I mean, kind of... never mind.
They look really impressive, right?
But without cool hats, it will be impossible to win the game.
Well, guys, now we're going to make a plunger. This way. And then we'll make tiny toilet paper.
What a cool idea. And the imposter will be scared of those weapons.
Why should they be scared? They see this stuff every day in a bathroom. And these are cool hats for our Among Us team.
Well, then the imposter will be amazed by the creativity of our hats.
No, that's for sure. Guys, do you have some hacks for finding imposters? I always suspect the most active person in the chat. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
I also know one awesome hack. You should always look into the person's eyes, 'cause eyes never lie.
Sammy, we'll dress up other players in another type of hat. Deal?
Awesome, but I demand they look tasty.
Well, I hope this surprise will inspire you to upgrade your Among Us skills. Guys, hit the bell button if you want to see Sam doing interesting tasks.
Sue, your words made me think of, fried egg for breakfast.
Then make a plate for me too, please. Making crafts always gives me a great appetite. Let's place our fried egg hat right here. Now we need to bake the figurines again to make sure the small details harden.
Give them to me, Sue. I need to train my doing tasks skill.
And while Sam's baking the figurines, we'll make my favorite Among Us hat. Actually, it's very hard to find the imposter. They have so many things helping them, like vents and sabotage.
Then we need to get back to our strategy of doing all the tasks as fast as we can.
I suppose it'll be very easy to win the game with a cool team like that.
So stop praising them. These good words can make them too relaxed.
Or motivated. It depends on their personalities. Guys, give a thumbs up if you think that good words are the best kind of motivation.
Okay, I'll try. By the way, guys, check out how fast I baked them. Well, teammates, I just wanted to say that you're, I don't know, very colorful.
Colorful? Sammy, are you sure that's even a compliment? Here comes a very delicate part of the work, guys. Hop.
I'm not sure. Making compliments is much harder than criticizing.
You just need to practice more. Try to give me a compliment. I suppose that's a super easy task.
Well, you're very, crafty.
Oh, thank you.
Did you really like that one? Woo! I just mastered making a compliment skill. That was easy.
I just appreciate you trying, but that was very far from a normal compliment.
Then I'll continue my practicing and become the best compliment maker ever.
Ooh, I do love that energy. Guys, it's time to use the trimmer. Ask an adult to help you at this stage.
Yeah, guys, don't forget about safety measures. Be very careful.
Now we need to cut the figurine along this line to make the Matryoshka opening possible.
Remember the first rule of the craft club. Don't mess with Susie. It's not that I don't trust you, Sue, but I doubt the guys will fit in the spaceship. I'll go get my shrinking device.
So let's make some space for our players by getting this foil out. All done. They kind of became smaller, especially this one. Sammy, did you do this?
By the mozzarella, that was not me! I only helped you cut them!
Okay, Mr. Suspicious-looking slime. We're gonna add some sticky tape to the edges.
Sue, I need to check your Among Us knowledge, and you need to think fast.
Sammy, you're too harsh. Playing games is a fun process.
It's a harsh world with lots of cruel imposters. Whatever.
True to say, I enjoy being an imposter. The game is more interesting when you get that part.
The first question is, how many wires do you have to match? You have 3 seconds.
Sammy, this knowledge is useless if you need to do the wiring task.
Maybe you're right. I need to think over my question list. By the way, guys, be very careful working with scissors. You'd better ask an adult to help.
This tape will keep the Matryoshka parts together. Shall we speed it up? Oh my god! What's going on? Phew, that was close.
Susie, what was that, huh?
I just lost control of the magic, Sammy. Anyway, check out your crew.
My dear Among Us team, we have no time for a long discussion. I'll tell you just one thing. We need to complete all the tasks as fast as possible to defeat the imposter. I've prepared cool presents for all of you, but first, show me your Matryoshka power!
We need tweezers to see this tiny member of the crew.
Finally, it's time to train! Follow me, everybody! Yellow, green, red, you're on the lookout! The rest come aboard! Guys, seems like I have a loss. I have to help my crew. I had a great time training my team with you guys. Hope you enjoyed it too.
Bye-bye. See you soon.